Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to thank to my all friends and my teacher who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. I am Anuja Singh. I am from Atasama. I am here to learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I am pursuing the third year from HMPG College. My father's name is Mr. Visham Singh and my mother's name is Mrs. Asa Singh. I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of my family. So let's start. There are 5 members in my family, and firstly my father, second my mother, and I, and my sister and my brother, and we all live together with a lovely and happily. My father is a very polite and very humble person. He is a very punctual person. He never tells a lie, and he is a very lovely person. He is a short tempered, but almost he loves all. In my family, he cares all of them. And my mother is a very lovely person. She cares us, and she teach me that how to speak in front of others and how to speak in front of elders and how to behave with children. She is a very light and polite person, and she gives me knowledge every time, and she taught me that how to cook that dishes and how to serve it. My mother motivate me that you can do it anything. And after my mother, my sister is a very short tempered girl, and she irritates me every time, and she sing a song to impress me and she's a nice girl because of she always she always try to make happy me, because I am a very short tempered girl, and I am angry with very little things. So she is a very nice girl. And my brother is a very nice person, because he always irritates me with spaces of expressions, and he loves me all times, and he loves me more than us. He always scold us, me and my sister, that how you can walk, how you can speak, how you can stand, how you can wear this cloth. he always interrupts, but even then he always cares us. If I am suffering from fever and headache, he always tries that you can take this medicine, mummy you can give me money, I will go at my medical shop and I will take doctor if she is not fine. So he loves us, me and my sister, more than. And he always used to prepare the tea for my mother, only for my mother, not for another person. And I'm a very short tempered girl, that you know. So this is my family. We are a very I have a very lovely persons in my family. I say some lines which is in Hindi for my family, a song for my family. The song is एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम, है तैयार हम. Thank you to listen me.